So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have these AirPods with me. They are basically the different editions of AirPods and are clone of the real Apple AirPods. So I will unbox them all and give you my first impressions regarding them. Before starting the video, I would like to thank Apple Bazaar who have sponsored this video. Also, there is a surprise for you all in this video. So please watch this video till end. So let's get started. So let's first start with the i12 AirPods. These AirPods are just priced at 600 rupees. At such aggressive pricing, it provides auto power off, auto pairing, touch using Siri, open the lip and connect automatically features. So let's open this box. So when we open this box, we get the AirPods right on the front. The packaging is not too good, but the quality of the product looks superior. When we remove the lid, we get our charging terminal. That is exactly same like the real Apple cable. Also we get a small tiny documentation that looks really cute, but it is in Chinese, so you can't read it. So let's keep everything aside and move towards these AirPods. If we talk about the initial build quality of these AirPods, then it looks really premium. Just the difference is that it is smaller in size. Here at the right we get the power on and off button. Then at the bottom we get the charging terminal, and also when we open this we get our AirPods. That looks really premium at the first view. The AirPods build quality is also really awesome. So let's straight away move towards its sound quality test. So here is our AirPods i12 sound quality demo. Hear it carefully. I think that the sound quality was pretty good if we look at the price point, as these AirPods are just priced at 600 rupees. So for that, the sound quality gets a big thumbs up from my side. So next on our list is AirPods 2, which are just priced at 1200 rupees. If we talk about the box, then it comes in an exactly same box as the real AirPods 2, with the Apple logo on right and all the manufacturing details on the bottom of the box. So let's open it. When we open this box, we get a section on which it is written designed by Apple in California. Inside this section we get our documentation. Also then we get our AirPods capsule that looks really heavy as compared to i12 model. And then we get a charging lead that also looks exactly same as the real Apple cable. So let's keep all things aside and move towards the AirPods 2. So if we talk about the initial build quality of these AirPods 2, then it looks really premium. Also the capsule is on heavier side. It weighs 52 grams, which is just 7 grams less than the real AirPods 2. Also at the bottom we get the charging terminal, and at the back we get the power on and off button, just like the real AirPods 2. When we click this button, we get the green LED appearing on the front. So let's open these AirPods 2 case. So here we get our AirPods 2. That looks really premium. They come with 8mm drivers. So let's check their sound quality. So here is the sound quality demo of AirPods 2. Listen it carefully. Also, you can buy this rubber case for these AirPods 2 only at the Apple Bazaar. The pricing of this case is just rupees 100. So let's see how it fits in this case. Wow, it fits well. Also the case quality is really good. It is also available in many colors. Here I have the black color with me. So last on our list is AirPods Pro, which are priced at just rupees 1400. So let's move towards the box of AirPods Pro. Here we get the AirPods Pro image on the top. On the right we get the Apple logo, while on the back we get the manufacturing details. Here it is written that it is manufactured in Apple, California, USA, and the price is written as 25,000 rupees. So let's open the box. When we open the box, we get the section right on the front. This is designed by Apple, California. So let's take out the documentation. So the documentation comes in 5 languages, just like the real AirPods Pro. Let's keep it aside. Also, the case that looks really premium and is also heavy as compared to the previous AirPods models. So the case weighs 56 grams. Let's keep the case aside for a while and let's see what else we get inside this box. We get a charging lead that is exactly same as the real Apple charging lead, and apart from this we get 4 extra earpieces. That's pretty good. So let's keep everything aside and move straight away towards the AirPods Pro. So if we talk about the build quality of AirPods Pro case, then it is top notch. Also we get the charging terminal at bottom and the power on and off button on the back. So let's open the case. So my first impression is wow. I want to give a big salute to those who are cloning these products, as it is looking exactly same as the real AirPods Pro. There is no difference. So here are the buds. The quality of the buds are also very good. So let's move towards the sound test of these AirPods Pro. So here is the sound quality demo of AirPods Pro. Listen it carefully. Oh my god, the sound quality is top notch. There is no words to say. I even can't differentiate between the real AirPods Pro and the fake one. Also, the sound quality is good due to the 10mm drivers that come in this AirPods Pro. So the Apple Bazaar provides the case for AirPods Pro. It is priced at 200 rupees. So let's check the case quality. So here is the case and the hook. The case quality looks really good. It is made up of pure rubber. So let's put our AirPods Pro 2 case. Wow, it fits well. It fits well. Look how easy it becomes to operate now. So you can also buy case for 200 rupees only for these AirPods Pro. So now it is the time for surprise for which you all are eagerly waiting for. So if you want to buy any of the products from the Apple Bazaar, then you can use this code, that is Pramnoor05, and you will get an additional discount of 10% on your shopping. Also I have mentioned the address and the phone number of Apple Bazaar in the description. Go and grab your product now. So guys, only this much for this video. If you like our videos, then please consider subscribing our channel and hit that like button because it motivates a lot. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video.